our hip hop series, and let's look at what we have in store for you today. Hi guys, in this video we will learn another hip hop move called the camel walk. So let's get started. We will first look at the footwork. Keep your feet slightly apart in a comfortable position. To start with, we will bend our right leg at the knee such that the heel is lifted off the floor and just your toes are touching the floor. Let's see how it looks sideways. Bend it at the knee to lift your heel off the floor. The next step will be that you shift all your weight to your right leg and bend your left leg at the knee, lifting your heel off the floor such that your toes are touching the floor. Let's see how that looks sideways. So the first step was lifting your right heel off the floor. 1. Now at this point all your weight is on your left leg. So we are going to shift the weight to our right leg, placing it back on the floor, at the same time lifting my left heel off the floor. So you keep doing this continuously, switching between your legs. You can even travel while doing this move. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's add some arm movement to this move. We will keep our hands relaxed. You can keep them in jazz hand gesture. We keep them next to our shoulders or near your chest. We are going to push them forward, straightening your hand, not bent at the elbow, and pull them back again next to your shoulders. So this is how it looks sideways. Push, pull, push, pull. Now let's try and see how this looks along with the footwork. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the move, guys. Let's try it with some music.
Thanks for watching. If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.